Walking on clouds, walking on eggshells, walking on shards of glass. There ain't no turning back now. What's broken can't be fixed. Walking on clouds, walking on eggshells, walking on shards of glass. There ain't no turning back now, alone with my regrets. And all I do is say sorry. I don't know what sorry is. Always just thinking about myself. I'm such a narcissist. I'm the odd-footed arsonist. I wouldn't set fire to every bridge that I ever crossed. I'll never live, lost any fuck that I'd ever give. And I lost all my composure, my conscience in the wind. I don't exist behind closed doors, don't let nobody in. Inside my skin I don't feel safe, I'm such a freak, I hide my face. I need to leave this place where I just feel like such a waste of space. Such a waste, such a waste, I'm washed away by summer rain. Such a waste, such a waste, I'm washed away by summer rain. Please numb the pain, numb the pain. My Novocaine can't feel a thing. Numb the pain, numb the pain. My Novocaine can't feel a thing. Have a hard time staying sober, I keep on caving in. And every time I close my eyes, I see those ghosts again. I'm haunted by their staring eyes. It took too long to realize I'm giving into my own lies. I'm so detached from my own life. Don't recognize reflections, indulged in my obsessions. Can't hold a grudge on anyone for more than a couple seconds. And now this vessel made of flesh just feels more like a weapon. And now I'm lost inside my head and feelings that I've kept in. Walking on clouds, walking on eggshells, walking on shards of glass. There ain't no turning back now. What's broken can't be fixed. Walking on clouds, walking on eggshells, walking on shards of glass. There ain't no turning back now, alone with my regrets.